What happens when you slip and fall in a store? We're going to get to the meat of that matter during today's Law in You. Joining us now, we have attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Sarampoli. Guys, thanks for being here.
I tell you what, you are smooth, man. You are smooth.
It just comes out. All right, here's the question today, and it involves slip and fall. I was walking through a store, slipped on a wet floor. I noticed that there was water, a bottle, lying under a rack right near the spot I fell. I injured my lower back and right arm. I filled out an accident report. I went to the ER. I called the store insurance company, and they're denying the claim. What are my rights? Don in Buckhorn wants to know. Well, it seems, based on the fact that the water was all over the floor, that the store is responsible?
Yeah, I mean, this is a tough one, and the reason I say it's a tough one is you filled out an incident report. That's a good step, but if you didn't take photographs of the area, there's some really bad case law out there when it comes to slipping on, water or, in a store like this. You really got to be able to document how long it was there for, whether they had notice of it. We've done, premises safety cases, which is what this is. And every store is required to have a sweep log, so you got to get the sweep logs. It's a very, believe it or not, it's a very complicated type of case, because if you just approach it as the water's on the floor, you're going to lose. You're going to have to do a lot more digging on this.
Yeah, because the store's going to defend, hey, we didn't have notice. So the key is, like Ed said, is you have to get some good pictures, and then what they're looking for is indications that it's been there for a while. So in these water cases, they're looking for footprints through it. They're looking for mud in it, something that can show that it was down for a long period of time.
And the size.
And the size. So we've successfully litigated these types of cases by establishing that evidence, having the pictures, getting the testimony. So it's just not that simple. So what the simple answer is, you got to pick up the phone and get a good lawyer on that one.
And for viewers who do want to pick up the phone and contact you, how can they do that?
Just call us, 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Yeah, it's really all about the investigation and kind of putting it all together. A lot of like CSI type of stuff that you really got to do in these cases to figure them out.
All right, Results Matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Sarampoli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
You got it.
Don't forget, PAHomepage.com, the Law in You hotline, 2 ways to get a question on the show.